Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for row 1, on the 5th chain from the hook I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip 2 and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around, then through this next treble crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through this 1 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 4, then through that same chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Now right here through this treble crochet chain, right here through the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Now right here through the center, through the treble crochet chain, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Now through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this treble crochet chain, right here through the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Now, through this last 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. So this completes row 2. So for the pattern, we repeat row 2. So for the pattern, we repeat row 2. So we repeat row 2 until our work measures 23 inches. Now we make 1 more row so you can join this. I'll turn our work around. Now right here to this next chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I need to use a crochet hook in different color because you won't be able to see this. Now through the next chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through this 1 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 4. Then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. And now right here from the other side, this was our first row. I insert my hook right there through the chain, then I insert my hook right here through the slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1. Then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this next treble crochet chain right here through the middle, I'll make 1 treble crochet. And then I'll insert my hook right here through this next treble crochet chain from the other side. Then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Again, through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. So we join these 2 sides together. Then I insert my hook right here through this next chain where we made the first shell in the first row. Then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 triple crochet. So we repeat this until we reach the end of this row.